when this occurs. You're probably wondering when you can actually catch Mercury in action. And here's the fascinating part. Mercury's maximum eastern separations follow a predictable rhythm that repeats roughly every 116 days. This means you get approximately 3 opportunities per year to witness this celestial event, though the exact timing shifts slightly each year due to orbital mechanics. The separations don't happen randomly throughout the year, they cluster around specific months, typically occurring in late winter, late spring, and early fall for most observers in the northern hemisphere. What's really cool is that Mercury alternates between eastern and western separations, so if you miss an eastern separation in March, you might catch a western separation in May, then another eastern separation in August. The exact dates vary from year to year, but astronomers can predict these events decades in advance with incredible precision. Each maximum eastern separation event lasts about a week, with the peak occurring on one specific day when Mercury reaches its furthest angular distance from the Sun. However, Mercury remains reasonably visible for several days before and after this peak, giving you a practical viewing window of roughly 10 to 14 days. The timing also depends on your geographic location. Observers at different latitudes will experience slightly different optimal viewing periods. Southern Hemisphere observers get completely different seasonal patterns, with their best eastern separations occurring during opposite months compared to northern observers, making Mercury truly a global phenomenon with local variations.